Happy birthday, Cody! We love you!
Take you somewhere you and I have never been. Take my hand, I'll show you a place away from Mr. Sun.
Sweetie, gentle girl, so silly,
So smart.
so smart. Pinapalaki niya ulo ni mama, kaya very good siya.
Very advanced babe.
Mahilig po magbasa, mahilig po magtanong.
Playful.
Playful. Clear yung mga gusto niya sa buhay.
Let's go. We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise.
Our favorite little moment with Cody pag malapit na kami matulog. Because kailangan kompleto ang family bago matulog lahat.
At magiging dinosaur po muna siya, gagapang-gapang po siya doon.
She needs everyone to be there.
Come on, let's go. Feel the breeze, catch that feeling inside the mason jar like lightning bugs shining from.
My favorite little moments with Cody is kapag nag-walk po kami in the morning, marunong po siya mamili kung saan siya pupunta, tapos tuturo niya yung mga bird, dog, marami kaming special moments. Oh, bird!
Bird! Boom! 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 Boom!
The best energy. Come on, let's go. We'll get away. Just get me out of my house.
Picture please!
I will take a
And show your tongue!
soaring high. We're stepping out the door. I'll take you with me anywhere. Come on, let's go.
Always stay happy, healthy, confident. Paniniwala po namin kahit anong gusto naman ni Cody, kaya niya po talagang abutin. Always happy lang. Kasi yan lang po yung gusto namin for him.
Happy birthday, Cody!
Happy birthday, Cody! Happy birthday, Cody! Happy birthday, Cody!
Just do whatever she wants and I will support her.
Anything.
Anything.
Kahit maging drug lord ka pa daw.
Pwede. Susuportahan ko siya.
Wag lang pahuli,
Huwag
gano'n.
lang siya papahuli. Ako na magtuturo sa kanya nun.